Are we thinking about factors and pairs, factor pairs here? Yes, sir. True. True. You probably never get a question like that on a job application, but you're right. A life skill is important, and most of all, we're trying to expand our thoughts about multiplication. Okay. Okay. So I want to be sure that you understand this. Is that a factor is the number you multiply by another factor to get, who remembers the answer to a multiplication product? Yes, sir. It's the product. Factor times factor equals a product, just so you're very clear on this vocabulary on this, okay? So when you're talking factor pairs, in order to find a product, you have to have at least two numbers to multiply together. It'll turn out as we move forward, you might be multiplying 3 and 4 and 5 numbers. Probably not this year for all of us, but you need at least two numbers. So that's why we have factor pairs, okay? You'll see how this connects to arrays. So when we did 14, it was shown to us. First of all, I want you to know, the first factor pair that you can find is just 1 times that number. What's 1 times a number? The same number, right? So every single one of these factor pairs, you can do 1 times that number since we're working with 14. Okay? Is that pretty clear with that? Okay. Let me also show you, what are the first 5 even numbers? What are the first 5 even numbers? Yes. Even numbers. So it's 2, 4, 6, 8, and really what I want to point out is any number that ends with a 0 that's not 0. So once you get to 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, it's a 0. Okay? If you see a number that ends with an even number, you're absolutely going to know, and I don't have enough eyes here. I see a lot of, I want you to know. If you see a number that ends with an even number, you absolutely know that one of its factor pairs are going to be 2. Okay? So for instance, 14 ends with an even number. There's an even number in the ones place is what I mean. Not just ends, but a number with an even number in the ones place. I know 14, because it has an even number in the ones place, is going to have a factor pair with 2. So I can look that up. Okay. Is everybody okay with that? The ones, it's called the identity property. Identity just means that's its identity when you multiply it by 1. And then any number that ends with an even number in the ones place is by 2. Okay. Let's say you get a number like this. Oops. How about 36? Okay. What do I know about this one already? About factor pairs? Yes. You absolutely, because it ends in an even number, it's going to be divisible by 2, right? 2 times 14. Okay. We also know what else? Hello, everybody. Hello. Yes. What else do we know? It's not 14. I'm sorry. Yes. Go ahead. Yeah, but it's not 14. 36. We've already done 2 times. It's not even 16. It's 18. It's 18. I'm sorry. Okay. What do we also know? One times 36, right? Okay. Here's what's neat about this as well. Once you start looking into the factor pairs, you'll recognize that the 18 here ends, or in the ones place, there's an even number. which means there's another factor pair there. Okay, so what number times what? So I know this, 2 times 18, or 2 times what number is 18? Yes, sir. So I definitely know that 9 is going to be a factor pair as well, right? And this is when you can say, what number times 9 is 36? It turns out it's 4 times 9, okay? I know there's a factor pair here as well. Do you know any factor pairs of 9? Yes. 3 is also a factor pair there, right? So 3 times what number is 36? It's 12, okay? So you're looking within these factor pairs to break it down even more here. Yes, sir. 12 times 3 is 36. 12 times 3 is 36, yes. Yes. Yep, we also can do 6 times 6 is a factor pair. We can see that because it's 6 times 3 is 18. So we know that that fits in as well, that 6 does. So we have to find the number, the factor that goes with 6 to get to 36, okay? So there's going to be several factor pairs here, especially with even numbers in the ones place. With odd numbers in the ones place, there's going to be many fewer factor pairs to think about, okay? Now, if I look at page 39, there's some important vocabulary there. One is equation. So at the top it says equations with 2 factors. An equation always has a what? Equation sounds like what? Equal sign. So when you're going to be writing these out with equal signs, right? So 3 times 12 equations, 36, 36, 36, and 36. But then it also asks you to write the factor pairs. So you're just going to be rewriting it. So in the factor pair column, you'll do 1 times 36. You'll do 2 times 18. You'll do 4 times 9, etc., etc. Okay? So today you're going to be working on 39 and 40. Do about 15 minutes a con. I have some people I'll talk to that I'm going to shorten their assignment because they showed they know factor pairs on the pre-assessment. And then your home link is 2.3. Is everybody okay with this idea of equations and factor pairs? You have 2 columns on your page 40.